Today is my 18th birthday and I'm so excited, and I decided to do my 18th birthday hairdo as dreads. I've never tried it before. I've always wanted to try it, and I was like, you know what, Mom, for my birthday we're gonna do dreads. And this is the color. Oh, it's backwards. This is the color. We chose burgundy because we didn't want to be boring and basic, so we got burgundy so I can wear some really colorful lipstick with it. So yeah, could have spotted. Whoop. Like this type of curly and look this cute with actually my natural hair twisted in. So I'm very happy with this hairstyle. I've always wanted it and it turned out freaking amazing, and I will do this again because it's just so cute. I look like Ariel. If you really look like Ariel, get this hair. I like it. I like it a lot. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Love you guys.